everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Today is Saturday, December 7th, and it is candle day at Bath & Body Works. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm gonna go head out and get my nails done. I had acrylics on, but I got tired of them. I hated the red polish, so I picked at them and ripped them all off yesterday, which kind of made me mad because my nails were just as long as the acrylic nails. So I was hoping to get them off cleanly so that all I had to do was like paint my natural nails, but that didn't work out. So I'm gonna head over to the nail salon like right across the street from where I live. I don't usually go there, but all I want is like some black gel polish, so I really don't care. But I'm gonna go do that, and then hopefully by the time I'm done getting my nails done, it'll be 10:30 because that's when the Bath & Body Works opens, because the only one that we have here is in the mall. And I'm gonna get some candles and I'll do a haul for you guys. I'll tell you all my favorite winter scents. And yeah, I'm just gonna vlog a little bit today. Mostly this video is going to be about candles and stuff like that. Hopefully I can get this video out early enough so that if you guys want to go shopping, you can either go out to the store or go online. Online will most likely be sold out because they did start at midnight, and they obviously sell out a lot quicker online than they do in stores. But another thing was that this year, for the first year that I know of, they were doing $9.50 a piece instead of $8.95, and I know a few people were like, it's not really worth it, because I don't know, to each their own. If you want to shop, shop. If you don't. I have a few other Christmas gifts that I want to try to pick up today. I got a few in the mail for the kids yesterday. I think some more is coming today in the mail, so I'm really excited. I also really want to do like a wrap chat video as like another Vlogmas episode, and I want to do it like Q&A style, so if you guys have any questions for me, I would like to, you know, answer them while I wrap gifts or something like that. I thought that would be fun. So I'm going to do that probably in the next couple of weeks, well obviously because Christmas is in like 18 days, so I will let you guys know. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I do a lot of polls and questions and like interactive stuff on my IG stories all the time, so make sure you're following me there, and make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications here so you never miss a community post, because I'm trying to be more active on here now that I have that feature. So let's go ahead and head out. All right, so I just left out of the nail salon, and for some reason she only like put lotion like right here on my wrist, so my hands are really ashy. Luckily I have some lotion because like my fingers just look so ashy, and especially like around my fingertips and stuff, and I have eczema, so girl, I gotta have lotion, okay? I'm trying to be out here in these streets ashy as hell. But they look really good. They are really short, and she was like, they're so short, and I was like, but it's okay, because I just want to give my fingers a break. Sometimes like I just go through these phases every once in a while where I want long nails, and then I'm like, okay, I'm tired of it and I want short nails again. But yeah, I just went with plain old black. I am loving black nails. I had black tips last month and I loved them, so I'm really happy, and I love the way that it looks on short nails too. I just think it looks so cute, and it's sleek, and I like it. So yeah. And then I was sitting at the little table or whatever, and she's like, are you Indian? And I was like, no. She's like, you're so beautiful. And I was like, thank you. And then she's like, are you married? And I was like, no, like, girl, I just want you to paint my nails. And it's so funny because it was like, you know that meme or like that little video that went around like, oh, you have a boyfriend, like blah, blah, blah. Like that's never happened to me until today. She's like, and she asked me twice if I was married. No, I'm not married. She's like, I don't know. I'm like, are you sure? Girl, I'm sure. I ain't been to no wedding. Nobody's got down on their knee. Like, I think I would know. I don't come to my mall pretty much ever, so I always feel like I park on the wrong side of the mall, but I hate going in the main entrance. So I'm gonna go in to the JCP. Wait, JCP? JCPenney. Hello. I'm gonna go into the JCPenney side, but I have a feeling Bath & Body Works is over there. No, I think it's on this side. I don't know. Whatever. Wish me luck. I'm about to head into the pit. I will see you guys when I get home. We'll do a quick little haul, and I'll share with you guys my favorite like wintry, Christmassy scents. And yeah, I'm gonna edit this video as quick as I can so I can get it up for you guys, so that if you want to do your shopping, you can go ahead and head out, or you know, do some online shopping. So I'm gonna go do that, and I will see you guys in what will be a second, but will probably be like an hour my time. So they just said that their credit system is down and that if you had cash, you could take cash. And luckily I have cash. There's a lot of people. I finally made it home. I have survived another candle day at Bath & Body Works, and I'm ready to share with you guys everything that I purchased from this year's sale. I have about 9 or 10 candles all together. A few of them are scents that I have never tried before, and then a few of them are like my favorites that I'm so happy were not discontinued. Bath & Body Works does that to me a lot. I'll have a favorite candle that I will absolutely be obsessed with, and then they'll discontinue it, and I'm like, really? So if you guys have similar tastes in scents as I do and you want to try out some of their candles, or maybe I'll mention a candle that you've never tried before, I think you will love these. They are so delicious and I'm just so excited. It's making me very hungry smelling this bag right now, and I haven't even eaten my food yet. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right on into this haul, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. Okay. So the first candle that I have is Marshmallow Fireside. I'm sure you guys have heard of this candle. It is loved by so many people. And to be honest, I was very reluctant to trying this because I'm not really someone who gravitates towards like sweet or like food scented candles. But because it has the fireside smell, you know, mixed in, it smells so good. It doesn't even, it has like a slight hint of marshmallow, just a little bit of sweetness. This candle is bomb, and if you have not tried it already, you definitely need to go and try it, smell it. You will love it. It burns amazingly and it smells really good. And the little like hint of sugar just smells like Christmas and I love it. So let's go. I'm a dork. So the next candle that I have is Winter, and I love this packaging. I love the white and the gold and the silver. It ties into my mixed metals theme that I have going on, and this candle smells so good. It's very fresh. It has a little bit of like a pine or like a balsam scent. So the notes on this candle is white woods, pine needles, sparkling clementine, spiced clove with essential oils. It does smell very like woodsy, but also clean, and I think that's where like the clementine and the essential oils come in. It's very fresh, so if you don't like an overly like holiday, traditional holiday scented candle, this one is nice and mild, but it still smells really good. So this next candle that I picked up is Tree Farm, and this one is crisp pine needles, warm cedar, spiced apple with essential oils. It smells so good, and I wasn't even gonna get this candle originally. I had Merry Mistletoe in my little basket, but I saw this one and I thought that Merry Mistletoe was not as Christmas tree scent as I wanted, and then I saw this and it was amazing. I didn't see their fresh balsam, but it may have been sold out. So if you don't see fresh balsam and you see Tree Farm, it smells bomb. It's like walking under one of those white tents searching for the perfect Christmas tree. It smells so good. I know I'm being really dorky, but I'm just like really in the holiday spirit today, y'all. Like, I don't know. This candle right here is one of my absolute favorites, and when I saw this packaging this year, I was like, thank you, Bath & Body Works, because sometimes they do my favorite scented candles dirty with the packaging. This looks so beautiful. I love like the bronze faded into the cranberry. This is the Frosted Cranberry scent, and it is literally iced cranberries, blonde woods, red apples, and tonka bean. It is one of the best candles I have ever smelled. It has like the tartness with the cranberry, but it's not overly sweet because cranberries are not really sweet, and it just smells so fresh and clean. This was a candle that really surprised me when I purchased it last year. I was like, you know what? It smells really good. I don't know how I'll feel about it. I ran through this candle so fast because I just kept it lit. It just smells so good. It makes your house feel really like you're cooking dinner or something like that, but not, I don't know. It's just so good. It's very fresh, and it's got that little like tartness in it that smells really good. It's not overly sweet, which is something that I tend to gravitate towards. This is a perfect candle for somebody who likes fruity scents, but you don't want sugary, sweet, fruity scents. This is perfect, so definitely pick this one up if you see it in your Bath & Body Works or your White Barn. You will definitely be happy, and you know, thank me down in the comments because you're welcome. So this candle is not only one of my personal favorites, my kids also are obsessed with this scent. I bought this candle, which is Paris Cafe, about a year ago. Not this exact one, obviously, but I loved it so much that I was actually like not interested in lighting it because I wanted to hold on to it, but I recently lit it and we ran that candle to the ground. Okay, I think I just ran out of it about a week or so ago. My kids love it. They ask me to light it all the time. They will be so happy to hear that I got a refill. This is rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, vanilla cream, and it is so bomb. The packaging is different. It just has this like amber package, which I'm not mad at. It is really pretty. Oh my god, it's crazy because I don't even drink coffee. You know, here and there I'll get something from Starbucks, but this is amazing. And Bath & Body Works really got the scent of fresh coffee down to a science. So this candle right here is one of my all-time favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I usually don't burn it around this time of the year because it just kind of brings more like spring or summer vibes to me rather than holiday. It is a cactus blossom candle and it is cactus flower petal, sun-kissed coconut, vanilla, and fresh sparkling lemon. This smells like vacation. It really does. And typically it is in a bright pink package, like bright pink, hot pink, and it's really pretty, but I do love the fact that it is green this year because I feel like that will kind of blend into my decor. Yes, I know I buy candles that will match my decor, so sue me. But I just love this candle. It smells really fresh and clean, but it has a little bit of sweetness from the coconut and the vanilla. It just smells like the beach or something. And this candle is so hard to describe because it's not florally. I love that it has a little bit of lemon. The coconut makes it kind of sweet. It smells like vacation, like you just freshly stepped out of the shower, like you're on the beach of, I don't know, Puerto Rico. Oh my god. I talk about this candle all the time. I tell all my friends to smell it. I tell everybody to try it out. It is so good. It is one of my top 3 scents. I think it might actually be like my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. It is the champagne toast candle, and it is bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, sweet orange, and it smells like the new year. Like cider with a little bit of sweetness. It just smells so fresh and so clean. That's kind of like the vibe, if you guys didn't know. Like I really like fresh scent candles, but I like them to have a little bit of sweetness, just like a touch. I don't want it to be too overly sugary and stuff like that, but I like them to smell really fresh and clean, but have a little bit of something to them. This one, however, I am not happy with the packaging. What I was just saying before, how sometimes they kind of play me and they put my favorite candles in these like ugly packaging. I mean, to you this might not be ugly, but to me, I don't really like it. I'm not a pink person. It's very girly with like the pink and gold candy and the champagne flutes. Like it's, I don't know. I would have just preferred it be gold. Traditionally, I think that every year it is some type of like gold packaging. Sometimes it's black and gold, which was my favorite. But this smells so good. Oh my god, this is my absolute favorite scent. This is a scent that you could burn year round because it's just so fresh, but it does really remind me of like the new year, like clean, inviting, but like festive and fun. Like, I don't know. I just love this candle, so go smell it, and I think you guys will love it too. It smells so good. So when I saw this candle sitting on the little display, I first was totally in love with the packaging. I love that the lid looks like icing. I love that it has all these little cute pictures all the way around with these little like cottages, some candy. So this is their Land of Sweets Blueberry Sugar Candle. It smells so good. I was definitely surprised at myself. I want to say that I picked this up last year, and at first I was like, do I really like this? Because it is so sweet. It's definitely not my like typical vibe that I go for, but I smelled it again this year thinking that I wasn't gonna like it. Maybe I was just going through like a phase or something. But no, it smells so good. It smells like blueberry candy, and if you're somebody who doesn't love sweet candles, you might not like this because it is very sweet, but I just love it, and I love this packaging. I think that it's super cute. I know my kids will love it. The notes are sweet blueberries, brown sugar, graham cracker crust. It smells so good. It kind of smells like a blueberry dumpling or like a blueberry pie. Like, it just smells delicious, and I think that the packaging is absolutely adorable, and it is very cute. So I did try to smell their blueberry pancake one, and that was way too much for me. So if you like the blueberry pancake, but it's maybe a little bit too much, you might love this one because it doesn't have that like maple syrup scent that the pancake candle does. So this one is really nice, and it's definitely something different. I don't always go for something like this, but it's nice to switch it up a little bit. Again, with the packaging, I thought it was absolutely adorable. This is a candle that I have never purchased before, and I wanted to try it out. I'm not really a huge fan of this candle. The scent is a little bit sugary for me, but I knew that my boyfriend and my kids would love it, so I got it. It is the Sugared Snickerdoodle candle, and it is warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. It does smell like cookies are baking. This candle does, oh, it reminds me of like a specific dessert that I can't think of. Not a cinnamon roll. Oh my God, what does this remind me of? I don't know. It smells like a very specific dessert, and I can't put my finger on it, but it smells, but it's not bad. It's not super sweet. I like that it has a little bit of the spices and the musk in there to kind of like cut the sweetness. But it does smell very, very nice. I know that Bath & Body Works can tend to go a little overboard with their sweetness. I mean, depending on your taste, but this is something that I can get down with. I don't think that I will light it every single day, but when I want to like bake cookies or something like that, I might like this. Or maybe if this was like the only candle that's burning, I think it would be nice in like an open space so it wasn't too overwhelming. But I think that this is really nice, and it's soft, it's sweet, it smells really good. And yeah, I really love the packaging. I like that this one kind of looks like snow and the buildings. I just think that they're so pretty, and I'm really happy with like their, you know, like traditional Christmas packaging this year. I think that they had a good mix between like classic and like glam, and then like fun and traditional packaging. I think that they did a really good job. That is everything that I picked up from this year's Candle Day sale. They were selling for $9.50 each, but if you do have that 20% off coupon still in your email from a couple days ago, they would accept it. They accepted mine, so I got 9 candles for $70, which is a steal. These are my favorite candles of all time. I also love the DW home candles from Marshalls and TJ Maxx, but these take the cake hands down. So if you guys love Bath & Body Works candles and you are catching this video just in time to stop by a store or go online, make sure you check out some of these recommendations. Let me know if you love them as much as I do. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure your notifications are on. We are going very strong with Vlogmas this year, and I'm having so much fun. Thank you guys for all the love that you are showing to my videos. I cannot wait to show you what else we have in store. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.